Okay, so we've come to the end of Module 11. What must be taken away from this module is what I covered about thinking like a trader. If you are serious about this business, you must make sure you are constantly working on your psychology and the way you handle your emotions when trading. Getting a trading coach will help you immensely. And of course, if you wish, you can always upgrade to the next level of our Trade to Success University program. There you can get all the trading coaching, webinars and mentoring you need in order to really catapult your trading success to the next level. At this point, you want to do as many practice trades through your broker platform as possible. There are just so many opportunities presenting themselves daily, so take advantage of them and practice the TTSU strategies as much as you can. I'm sure you've picked up on the common theme here, and that is that practice makes perfect. It is truly the fastest and most surefire way to ensure your trading success. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in Module 12.